Have you ever noticed how children want to be just like their parents when they are young?
As children, son idolize their dad by walking like him, talking like him, or wearing his shoes and clothes. At this age, a son wants so much to please his father and receive his approval and acceptance.
As teens, sons experience a period of discord in which conflict is a central theme they share. They often reject the expectations, values, and directions that fathers have, embrace and take on more non traditional philosophies.
As young adults, the father son relationship enters into a period of evolving. Distance may still exist emotionally, and they may even ignore each other. The conscious attempts at being different than one's father, so characteristics in the discord stage, begin to appear more like competition. Competition with one another can be viewed as one of the most indirect but the highest form of flattery that exists. Mark Twain once said, "When I was a boy of 14, my father was so ignorant I could hardly stand to have the old man around. But when I got to be 21, I was astonished at how much he had learned in 7 years."
As adults in their 30s and 40s, sons begin to move into the stage of acceptance towards their fathers. They have begun to forgive, recognize strengths, and even admire the qualities that once seemed so out of step with their previous know it all matter of thinking. Charles Wordsworth once said, "By the time a man realizes that maybe his father was right, he usually has a son who thinks he is wrong."
In their 50s, older adult sons become a legacy of their father's influence for better and worse. Time tempers painful memory, and in their places often remains admiration and respect for the difficult job being a father must have been. If elderly fathers are still living, an ironic role reversal occurs with the older adult sons beginning to take care of their aging father. Perhaps the best revenge is to live long enough to be a problem to your children.
Life gives us numerous opportunities in key relationships to learn from our experiences, work out our differences, and even pass on those legacies that are truly worth leaving. To successfully pass through these stages of idealizing, discord, evolving, acceptance, and becoming a legacy is an ideal goal for every father and